Hey, welcome everyone. In this video I'm doing an unboxing of the LG XBOOM Go series. And in this version, released in 2020, these versions are named after like PL series. So basically PL7 is the largest box, which I'm unboxing now for the largest unit. PL5 is the medium-sized unit, and then PL2 is the smallest unit. So I'm going to unbox all the units from the XBOOM 2020 series, starting with the PL7 as I mentioned. So go from biggest to smallest, and just taking it out. There's the unit itself. It's got the XBOOM logo, massive writing near the top back. And over on the back side, I'm noticing there's additional controls as well as the controls on the top itself. The top seems to have the more core functions such as power, and powering them on there you get the RGB lighting, which is available on the PL7 and PL5, but not on the PL2. What's surprising to me that turning it on for the first time is that the RGB lighting is rather visible even with all this lighting that I have. I thought it'd be only visible in a dark setting, if you have like a backyard barbecue at night with friends or whatever. So I'm pleasantly surprised that they're this bright even with good lighting conditions. So going over the pamphlets, safety and warranty information, all that, very fun stuff, guarantee information, and then here's the actual little instructions in this tiny little manual. Just going through them very quickly. Very basic stuff. I mean, using the speaker itself is pretty simple. It's a portable Bluetooth speaker, and there is a charging cable, which thankfully is USB-C on one end. So one end is USB-A fitting, although I wish it was USB-C all around, but one end is USB-C for plugging it into the actual speaker itself. So moving along to the PL5, I'm just guessing here that the contents are going to be almost identical to the PL7 that I just unboxed. It's just everything, like the box is smaller, the unit's smaller. The unit looks almost identical to the PL7 that I just took out. So let's get some contents out of the way. Again, you got the massive XBOOM logo at the back, and then some additional controls at the back, as well as the core functions at the top, such as play, pause, power, Bluetooth. Again, very bright RGB lighting, thankfully. I'm really surprised about that, and pleased. And here we go with the smallest unit, the PL2. Okay, so again, it's probably going to be very similar. I actually almost forgot to continue the unboxing. I was just thinking to myself, even though the content's going to be the same, I should show you guys everything. Even though PL5 is probably the same stuff as the PL7 box contents. So there's a USB-C cable for charging, guarantee information, the actual instructions itself, and then safety information. So as I guess, it's pretty much almost identical, and the instructions look very similar to the PL5 as the PL7. So going on to the smallest unit, the PL2, man, this is a really tiny unit, really small, and it just fits in my hand as you can see. It's kind of like a mini football. Just want to toss around, it looks like fun, but I won't do that. But yeah, it'll be interesting to see how much power it packs, but I'll have the information in the review video. The link to that will be in the video description. I can't seem to figure out which side opens. I assume it's going to be one of these sides, but I don't want to pry it at it too hard and possibly damage it, because I can't see where you plug it in for power, for example. That's what I'm trying to find right now. So we'll turn it on for now. I don't want to damage it. I'll have the information ready for you guys in the review video, okay, for sure. So going over the rest of the contents for the PL2, let's see what we get out of here. Again, another USB-C charging cable, thankfully. And then going over the documentation, it's probably just the same, similar stuff. So there's guarantee, the instructions itself, and safety information. So yeah, very similar across the board. And the units look very similar to each other, except, they're different sizes. So I hope you guys found this video useful. Subscribe, check out my social links in the video description, as well as the review video, and thanks for watching.